Here's a 2018 INFINITI Q60. A quicker response, effortless passing power, a refined, functional, and smart interior. The INFINITI Q60 puts it all in your control. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, power sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, dual zone climate control, sport suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system. The Car Connection reports these models quite cleverly straddle demographic lines and provide the seat-of-the-pants thrills of a bad boy sports car at times with a lot more social grace. INFINITI functional craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.